Hey guys, this is Naveen and welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. Today, guys, I'm going to cover one very interesting topic that where Selenium cannot do anything. That how to automate barcodes, right? So a lot of people are asking the same question that okay, how to automate the barcodes? So there is a company ZXing, and through LinkedIn, these guys they observed that I'm doing some automation videos on my channel, and they contacted me, and then on LinkedIn, and they told me that okay, Naveen, why don't you create a video on this third-party API? So Zing is a company, and one of the sales guy he contacted me, and then he told me to give some examples of Zing to automate the barcodes. And I searched their Git repository. I found a couple of some interesting stuff over there, and I took one example and I tried to automate, and I was really surprised that okay, these guys are really doing really great. And I discussed with my some other circles also where people are using Android apps and other stuff, and Android guys also they are using their APIs. So in Selenium, barcodes automations are not possible, guys. I'm talking about this barcode, right? Whenever we see this barcode on any product or something like this, right, this barcode automation is not possible using Selenium. So how to automate this? So every barcode is nothing, is a collection of number of strings. Every barcode is, let's see, today if I'm writing this ABC 1234, if I'm writing hi, this is Naveen here. So and if you refresh this particular page, you will see that okay, barcode for this Naveen here is this. So barcode is represented internally with a string, but this string will not be visible to you because that's why we have to provide this barcode to provide the security point of view or something like this, so that you can scan it and then no one can understand that. Let's see, price barcode is there. If you go to any shopping or any grocery shopping or April stop shopping, you will get to know that okay, on the tags, okay, on the price tag it's a barcode. They just scan it and then they get the barcode thing over there. Same thing in web application also, similar kind of concept over here. So to crack this particular thing, guys, this is a company I'm talking about. So these guys they just contacted me, and then this is a Git repository is available, Zing. Okay, and if you go to their Zing Git, and you will see that okay, some information they have provided, and they are doing some development on QR code and barcode kind of stuff. And it's all, and Android guys also and iPhone guys also they are using okay these this particular API. So this is the third party API. So through Selenium it is not possible, guys, frankly speaking. And it's very straightforward answer: through Selenium it is not possible. Selenium does not provide any API to automate barcodes. But why we are, with the help of Zing, it's totally based on Java. You can do that. So you just need to remember the couple of classes are available. So how to do that? So they have already provided their Maven repository also. This is a Maven repository for Zing Java. The latest repository recently, like 29th of May this year only they released. 3.3.3 is the latest version. So you need to add this particular dependency in your Maven project. So let's create it and let's see how exactly it works. So I have created one barcode automation. Can you see that this particular project? And one package I have already created. In this particular package, I'll create a class. And this pom.xml file, I'll open it. And I have added, let's see, 3.14 is the latest version of Selenium. And this Zing dependency, I have copied from okay Google, and then I have pasted over here. That's it, right? After that, what we have to do that you just need to save it, and you will see that okay, inside your Maven dependency all Selenium jar files as well as Zing jar files also got added over here. So we are not bothered about that okay, what exactly it's written inside the Zing, but okay, that inside the Zing what exactly they have written. But a couple of things you need to remember, guys, if you really want to automate barcodes. So I'll create a class, and then let's see my class name is barcode test. Okay, select the main method and click on finish. Or let's see, we'll create one test ng class, and we will do some testing as well. So quickly I'm creating one at the rate test annotation and simple writing one method. Let's see, barcode test method is there. and this at the rate test quickly I'll import from testing. And what I'll do now, we will um, add some, okay, we will launch Google Chrome with that particular URL. So this example I'll show you. This is the example. We will enter this URL. This is the URL I'll show you. Okay, this is the thing, barcode.tec dot okay hyphen it.com. So the moment you launch it, you can check any barcode. You can write any barcode over here, and you will refresh it, and one barcode will be generated like that. So let's see. First, we will come on this page, and we will see. We will try to read this particular barcode, and then the output should be ABC 1234, right? And we will see some other examples as well. So first, I launch my URL. So to launch the URL, we have to set the property for Google Chrome. So I'll take some code from my just a minute, from other projects. So let's see, I'll take it from here. Yeah, I'll take it from here. This is to, without wasting our time, we will launch our Google Chrome. Let me close this and then simple paste it over here. And now driver dot get method to launch the URL. So my URL is this. I'll enter this URL, and quickly I'll check this code that it is launching the URL or not. So let's run it, and we will see that, okay, yes, it is launching the URL. We are coming on this page. Now we will try to read this. Now this is something important now. Okay. So what we have to do, couple of things are you need to remember, guys. First, what we need to do that we need to inspect that particular barcode. So if you inspect this particular barcode, let me simple right click on it and go to inspect, and you will see that, okay, this barcode is an image, so it is represented by img tag, right? And having one source src attribute, some attribute is there, this. So we will read this, but this is the main crux of this particular barcode automation, that this src attribute we have to read. Can you read this particular src http some .com .ashx or something is written over here, right? So we will read this particular src attribute. So how will you read this src attribute? It's simple. We will be using driver dot, okay, find element by dot tag name, and the tag name of this particular element is img. So we will be using img tag, and from this we will use one method get attribute. And which attribute you want to take it? I want to take src attribute. So I'll take this src attribute, and then I'll store in a particular string. So let's see, this is my string. I would say this is my barcode URL. I'll get it, right? Some name I'll give barcode URL, and then I'll print it on the console. Simple this barcode URL, and let's see I'm able to get this barcode URL or not. So let's run it, and it's launching the browser, and we will see that yes. So barcode URL we are getting over here. Can you see that? This is the exact barcode URL we are getting. Okay, data separator is equal to this. And if you see this, same thing, data separator is equal to this, right? So barcode we are getting over here, barcode URL. Now what we have to do with this barcode URL? Now this is the real thing. Now we'll start. After that, once we get this barcode URL, what exactly we have to do? We have to use, we have to create the object of URL. Okay, so URL, let's see, my URL object name is this new URL, and this barcode URL string, guys, we have to pass it over here, because this barcode URL is available in the form of URL format, so we have to pass it over here. And this URL we have to import from this, and then it will give you one suggestion that add throws declaration. So simple add throws declaration. After that, what we have to do that we have one class, guys, image io. Image io class is there, dot read method is there. So image io is coming from java x. Okay, still we are not using any, okay, still we are not using any zing. So far this is coming, image io is coming from java x. So it will read this particular help of image IO, and then we will pass this particular URL over here. Right, so image IO is provided by Java, and image IO, what exactly it will do, guys? First, it will add throws declaration. It will throw an exception, so we will add throws declaration. And after that, image IO is actually returning what it is returning. If you see, you just need to mouse over, it's returning buffered image. Okay, so we will store inside buffered image reference over here is equal to this. Okay, what is the reference that you have created? Buffered image, and this buffered image we have to import from java.awt package. So that is also there. Now after that, what we have to do, this buffered image. So till here, so far I'm using Java only. Now after that, now I have to use this ZXing API. So now you need to remember one thing, guys, that one class is there, buffered image luminance class is there, buffered image luminance source class is there. You just need to create the object of like this, new buffered image. You can see that, okay, luminance class is there, and here we have to pass what exactly your image buffered image is there. So this is my buffered image. I'll pass it over here, right? And this, what exactly this class is implementing one interface. That interface is called luminance source. So guys, no need to remember this code, but this is the standard code these guys I have provided. So luminance source is equal to this. So we have to store inside this particular luminance source abstract class references over here, right? So after that, what we have to do with this luminance source, it's done. We have one more class is there, binary bitmap class is there, which is also provided by binary bitmap class is there. We just need to create the object of binary bitmap is equal to new binary bitmap, sorry, like this, new binary bitmap. And what is your uh, after that, and that exactly what exactly we have to provide, we have to provide our binarizer. So to provide the binarizer, one more class is there, that is called hybrid binarizer. And what is your binarizer? It will accept this luminance source available over here. So this is the standard classes, guys, no need to remember, but I'm just explaining you how exactly it is. Okay, they have given all these classes and everything. After that, what we need to do, that we need to install with this particular, we have to use this binary bitmap. So what exactly it will do, we have to create one more class, object new multiple format reader. Okay, multiple format, just a minute, multiple multi not multiple, actually multi format. Okay, multi format reader is there, yeah, this is there. And dot one method is there, decode. And what exactly you want to decode? I want to decode my binary bitmap, right? So this binary bitmap is having this luminance source. This luminance source is having this buffered image. Buffered is already read, I have already read this particular image from this particular URL. Okay, that, and this URL we are getting from barcode URL. Barcode URL is coming from this particular src attribute. So this is a sequence actually, and this will return one exception. So we will add throws declaration over here, right? And this decode, if you see, it will give you result. So this is a result reference we have to store over here like this. Result is equal to this, right? And this result is coming from, guys, from ZXing. So just import it from com.google.xing. So this is there. And after that, what we have to do, that's it, nothing. System.println result dot get text method is there. That's it. So whatever the text is associated with that particular barcode, it will be given to you. So this is a line of code, guys. You just need to remember if you really want to do that. And this is the way that we can get the text from the barcode. So, and we can read the barcode. So let's run it and let's see what happens. So we will run it as testng, run as testng, and we will see what happens. So you will see that okay, browser is getting launched, and it is trying to read, and your if you see the console, in the console guys, can you see that this is the image URL is there, and this is behind this particular image URL abc 1 2 3 4 is written over here. So this is a barcode is actually it is reading, and from that particular barcode, okay, it is abc 1 2 3 4 is there. So actually this abc 1 2 3 4 is available over here, actually abc 1 2 3 4. Okay, but it's actually parsing this particular entire URL, and then it is checking like that. But there is no guarantee that okay, whatever text abc 1 2 3 4 always it will be written over here. No, it is actually convert. It is actually from this particular URL. It is checking what is the equivalent barcode. So internally, it is generating the barcode, and from that barcode, it is getting the data. Okay, so don't be confused that okay, this ABC 1 2 3 4 it is reading from here. No, it is not like that. Right now, let's do one thing that, and you can see that okay, ABC 1 2 3 4 is the barcode text for this guy. Now let's do one thing. Let's say I'm writing, "Hi, this is Naveen here," and then click on refresh. So you will see that okay, hi, this is Naveen here is written over here. So I'll do one thing that I directly inject. Okay, so see if you enter this, hi, this is Naveen, this is Naveen here. So every space is replaced by %20. Okay, this is a Unicode value. I'm just simple passing directly inside the URL. So let's see. I'll see if I enter in that new tab like this. So directly you will see that okay, hi, this is Naveen here, and then this is a barcode. So I'll directly launch this particular URL, and it will generate this barcode, and then we will see that okay, we should get the output as hi, this is Naveen here. So I'll go to my Eclipse and I'll directly launch this particular URL over here. Okay, you can write any code like hi, this is Naveen here or whatever, and if you run it now, it should see launch the Google Chrome with hi, this is Naveen here, and then it will read hi, this is Naveen here text from this particular barcode, and we will see hi, this is Naveen here, barcode is coming, right? So you can pass whatever the string value you want to pass. Data is equal to, let's see, I'm passing something, hi, how are you, something like this. Let's see what happens. So if you run it, it is entering the values over here, hi, how are you, and then see it is entering the value over here, hi, how are you. Barcode is generated with hi, how are you, and we should get hi, how are you. So every time it is reading that particular barcode, whatever data you are providing, and it's reading that particular data from that particular barcode. So in your framework or in your application, let's see if you're getting this barcode, we just need to get SRC value from there. And from SRC value, you need to generate this okay barcode URL, and after that you need to read it, store inside buffer image, pass this buffer image into buffer image luminance source, which is coming from ZXing API, and this luminance source we have to provide inside the binary bitmap with the help of hybrid binarizer, and then with the help of this binary bitmap we need to decode it. So this is the actual method to decode. So it is actually decoding this particular binary bitmap, storing inside the result reference, and from this reference we are storing the text, we are getting a text from there. So this is the standard way of ZXing. That's it. Only these three four steps, four five steps are there. That's it. So now this is applicable for any kind of barcode you can apply. Okay guys, so this is something like really interesting. I found it, and these guys they actually pinged me on LinkedIn, told me that okay, can you please create a video on that. So I think that's all, and this is just for advertisement point of view that okay, this is a repository. This is a freely available. I'm not doing any marketing for these guys, but this is Java SE. This is the URL. You will get the repository URL in the description link, and this is the practice point of view. You can check this barcode tech.it.com. Okay, and yeah, and this is their GitHub repository. If you really want to see their code and everything, it's freely available. Their source code also they have shared. And yeah, I think this is information about that. A lot of people they are using this particular Zing API for Android barcode development and iOS barcode development point of view. In fact, in Selenium also. So now there is no blocker. We can automate barcode also with the help of this thing. Okay, cool. So that's all for today, guys, for this particular session. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. My channel name is Naveen Automation Labs. And if you really like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Just share this with your friends and colleagues and like it. If you have any questions, please write your question in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys.